All right, guys, last video, and this one will be the quicker one. The other two are a little bit longer. All right, I can find the intersection of medians on a triangle on a coordinate grid. This really isn't going to use anything that you haven't done before. This is just an application to algebra. All right, so first it says find the coordinates of the centroid. So that's what we're going to do. We want to find the coordinates of the centroid. What information does the graph provide to help you do that? Well, the centroid needs a median, you need two medians, and those medians to be made need a vertex and a midpoint. So these coordinates help you. So the coordinates help you find the midpoint. Midpoints. So the centroid is the intersection of the medians of the triangle. Begin by calculating the midpoint, and then you're of one side, and then draw a line to connect that midpoint to a vertex. We only need to draw two medians to find the centroid. We don't have to draw all three. So, first of all, I would look at this guy and see if there's any easy midpoints that you can find. Any that you can just eyeball it and know what it is. Take a look, and I can see QR right here has a nice, easy midpoint. I could count that because it's down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, and that makes down 2 over 3 and down 2 over 3. That tells me that that's the middle. All right, now, a median goes from a midpoint to the opposite vertex, so that's one median. Now you need a second median. Now your second median is a little bit tougher because these do not have nice, easy midpoints. So we're going to use a midpoint formula, which really isn't that complicated. Really, we're just going to add our x's. So 6 plus 3 is 9, and divide by 2. That makes 4.5. Add our y's. 4 plus 0 is 4. Divide by 2. That gives me 2. That's my midpoint. That's it. So that's 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4.5, and 2. So there's our other midpoint, and that median will go to Q. Where these two intersect is your centroid. So my centroid is right there at 3, 4. So right here it says find and plot the midpoints. We found them. They're up here in our graph. Draw the medians. Done. Got our two medians. And find the centroid, and our centroid was at 3, 4, where your two medians intersect. Okay, so at this point, I think you guys are good to start your 8.3 worksheet. So your substitute can pass out your 8.3 worksheet. That's your homework for this. I want you to do the best that you can. I'm calling it homework, but you should be working on it in class and getting as far as you can together with your groups in class, working on it to get that done, and then come in with some questions on Monday when I'm back. That is it for today. Thank you, guys, and I will see you Monday.